Are you an SEO or an small business owner, and your business is a service based business on Google Maps? So if you are struggling to get ranking, and you tried at least, you tried almost every strategy, and still you are not ranking on the in top of in on the first page of Google Maps, I'm going to share you some of the strategies that help me to get like most of my service area businesses on the first page, and even they are doing very great in very short period of time, in like 60 days to 90 days. So let's jump on the screen. So we all know that Google is like becoming day by day very smarter, right? Google knows what is the actual intent of a searcher. So if I go to Google and search for pizza recipe, Google knows that I want to need a complete recipe, and like I want to try search for how to make pizza. Okay, so it will start showing me some recipes on the top of the page. If I go to the next search, if I made like pizza store, I do pizza store service. Google know that I want a store, I want to buy a pizza, I want to order a pizza. So it will start showing me the local map pack results. Okay, it's showing me the stores that can deliver the pizza, or I can go there and I can like take the pizza. So the next thing is the same search, best pizza in Texas. So whenever I put best, it means I obviously I want to compare two or more businesses. So where which is the best and where can I go and get the pizza? So best, you can see here the sub changes. It starts showing me the top 25, where is the best pizza, 11 pizza joints, comparisons between multiple businesses. Okay, if I go and search plumber near me, so Google knows that my intent is that I need a plumber who can serve my who can fulfill the needs I have at my home. Okay, so you can see here Google is showing uh, three listings here. It's a local map pack, by the way. So Mr. Router, Pro Plumber, and the Quick Neighborhood Plumbing. These three businesses. They are like ranking in the local map pack. So basically, there is two type of businesses. First one is physical address business. The second one is the location, the service area business. In physical address business owner has a physical store, and it has a like unique address. In service area, you are serving a particular neighborhood, you are serving a particular city. Like if you are running a pizza store, you would definitely have a physical store. You cannot pizza business is a hybrid business. You have a physical store and you also deliver your product to the customer's house, customer's address. Okay, in service area business, you don't need to specify your storefront. You have like you either serve a particular town or a city. So how does Google Maps work? So basically, Google Maps work on three major factors. The first one is proximity, relevance, and the prominence. So how far your business is from like the searcher, that depends your ranking, like on which place Google will push your listing. Okay, so how, like, as far as searcher made a search, the chances are very low that your business start ranking on the top of the page. Okay, so what are the next thing is what can you do so that Google reward your profile. Okay, so the next thing is So the next so how you can create service pages that help your business to rank much higher on the local map pack. Okay, so I'm going to give you some pointers. You just need to follow them. The first one is you need to create separate pages for each service area you are serving. Okay, so in many businesses you are serving the Dallas, you are serving the Arlington, the nearby areas to the Dallas. So let's assume you are serving five different areas. So you need to have five separate pages on your website. I'll show you later the exactly how you need to create a like a location page or service area page. The next one is you need to add relevant images. Okay, you need to add relevant images to each service area. So right now, if you are creating page for the Texas, you need to add some of the images which can elaborate more about Texas city, which are highly relevant to Texas city. It could be the Museum of Texas. It could be uh, the the parks, the shopping mall, the biggest shopping mall of the Texas. Anything that can describe the Texas even more better. The next thing is point number two. What can you do is you can add more POVs, the point of interest. Okay, you can mention the routes from a landmark to your business, how they can reach to your business. If you are a service area business, you cannot create driving directions, but you can mention the zip codes, you can mention the postal codes. Okay, you can also on this location page you can mention the landmarks, the metros. Okay, the metro stations, nearest metro stations, or the top metro stations in that particular location page. So why you need to put more data of the city instead of putting more services, more data about your business? The fact is, as much as geo relevant content you are pushing on the same page, that will establish the authenticity, that will establish the trust. Okay, and as much as the local signals you are feeding to Google, it going to help you to grab more ranking in that particular area. Okay, so these are the points. Okay, now let me show you uh okay, so here is an example of creating the service area pages. So if I click on the website, if I click on any of the page, okay, so I click on the Dallas. So now you can see here they have mentioned uh, Dallas in their H2, plumber in Dallas, then the details, then the services they are offering, then again what the combined services. Okay, and the blog post, the you can see here all the reviews. So if you want to rank in Dallas, you can, and if you have like five reviews on your profile and they all come from the Dallas area, just scrape all of the reviews and add these reviews on the Dallas page, on the particular Dallas page. Then the same thing, mention your CTA, the image of your business that can establish that you are running a real business. So these are the six things you could utilize in your business, and they are going to very like help you in like dominate a service area business in like 2024. Bye bye. See you in the next video.